Some information on Apayao and Agusan del Norte. Apayao is a province in the Philippines situated in the Cordillera Administrative Region, occupying the northern central section of Luzon. Its capital is the municipality of Cabugao. Father of Apayao, Elias K. Bulot Sr. Traditional house Balay. Tribe is Nagpipol. Traditional dance Tadek. Its tourist attraction, Apayao Provincial Museum. Food you can eat in Apayao, Pansit Batil Patong. While Agusan del Norte is a province in the Philippines situated in the Caraga region, occupying the northeastern section of Mindanao. Its capital is the city of Cabadbaran. Major producers of agricultural crops such as rice, corn, coconut, abaca, banana, mango, cassava, durian, pineapple, and coffee. Its tourist attraction, Tagnote Falls. Food you can eat in Agusan del Norte, durian butter cake. And remember, choose hospitality management, choose you in Manila.